What we got, guys? 1989 Nissan Skyline, and it is right-hand drive. Check it out, all the way from Japan. Give a guess. Yeah, again. That's what it sounds like before. So we're gonna take the resonator off and let you guys hear it after. One more. Here's sound decibels. Again. 90 decibels. One more. All right, turn it off. You guys can see we showed you earlier what it sounded like with the resonator on it. And there's the resonator there on that table. Anyways, 1989 Skyline Type M. It's very rare. They made there's only 30 in America or 300 in America. From what he was saying, it's a one-owner car. He just bought it out of Kentucky. So it's the Skyline GT Type M, I think it is, he said. Anyways, rear-wheel drive. This is the original license plate since 1989, guys, from Japan, as you guys can see, which is really cool history. Anyways, right-hand drive. So what we did, kept the 3-inch downpipe, kept the 3-inch cat, deleted the 3-inch resonator right there. And he said this system is like $2,800 from Japan, but he couldn't take it. He wanted more sound. He's getting Tomy next, and the Tomy system's like $3,700. And there's the rear muffler that's on it there. All right, guys? So there it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's what it looks like out the back, right there. There's the Skyline for you. So, like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. 1989 Nissan Skyline Round 2 GT. Here it is. Look at that. Only one of 300 in the States. What we did to it now, so it's got a 3-inch downpipe. We put a high flow cat instead of the factory cat that was on it, because it was really restricted. He wanted some more sound out of it. That's what we did for him, right there. Then earlier, about a week and a half ago, we did a resonator delete. Then he still got the same muffler. It's all 3-inch, still got the muffler out the back. There it is right there, as you guys can see. That's the system. Nissan Skyline. There it is. It is not a GTR. It is definitely a Skyline. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Nissan Skyline 1989. Still needs more, man. It's that, I bet you it's that cat. Again, your sound decibels right at 95. Again, and that's what we took off, guys, right there. He goes, I love working here because I see so many different types of cars. Never a dull moment, you know?
Yeah.
Which I love about that. It's not loud at all. Wow. I'm surprised. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Sound decibels? Almost at 100 now. What was it before? Do you remember?
Like 80 something.
Wow, heck yeah. We'll do a comparison. comparison probably video with it, guys, for you. Again, it was right at 99.8, so 100 we'll say. Sounds good. Go ahead and back it up. Nissan GT. Nissan Skyline. Go ahead. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Skyline, guys, 1989. There it goes. That's what they're famous for. Beast mode out of a Skyline. Enjoy, guys. Nissan Skyline. High flow cab, 3-inch system with a Skyline muffler. Aftermarket muffler. It is 6-speed too, guys. Beast mode! Oh yeah! That was awesome. Enjoy, guys.